I have a whole blank page here. And I want to insert the picture now that I've chosen from this device. And I've chosen, why is it not there? Oh yeah, I put it under downloads. And I have the cover that I just put in. And then I also insert the other picture from the COPD because I've chosen, you know, COPD. But if you have asthma, choose a picture of asthma. Oh, that is funny. I have now deleted the other picture. Seems like it, right? So there we go. Insert picture and respiratory system. Okay, so I've got both of them here, and it doesn't really look like a booklet, you know. If we look at this from far, you know, it looks like this, and that's it. So what can we do? So first of all, maybe we're gonna draw a square, you know, all around where we want to go. So we go and insert and then shapes and then a rectangle. So we're gonna have a nice rectangle. You can see, boom, now the whole page is yellow. So that's now our background, I would say, which means that where are my pictures? So you click on that little thing there next to it, layout options, and then you go behind everything. So now this is behind. Next step that we want to do is we do not want an outline. Outline meaning we need to go and click on shape fill. No, that's not the one. Sorry. Shape outline. And we click on no outline. So we have, you see, there is no border now. There was like a black line, and now it's gone. Okay, it looks like this. So most of your booklets look like this. So this is still not really finished. So what we need to do now is for example, click on insert and create more shapes. So we take that one, another for a rectangle, but we're not going to do it yellow. Do you remember? We said we're going to fill this. So we're going to go on shape fill. And then we have white. And then I also click on that and I click on shape outline and I click on no outline. Yeah, so I have now a nice little picture, at least with shapes, and I click this and copy and paste it, and I can also put it there down at the bottom to make it look nice. And then yeah, so I have two of these lines here now. Yeah, looks quite nice. I'm gonna put that there, a little bit below. All right. Maybe I want to have another one because I want to write respiratory system actually in there. So I do that. And I will also put in one more line, but diagonally. So I will change this around because I want to do that triangle thing that they have done. So I want to, I'll keep it like this now. Okay, now I think I need to move that picture. So I click on the picture and here next to it, and I click on height so that I can move it around. You see, now I can move it around wherever I want to. So I will have it here. And I will have it a little bit bigger. I want this to be like filling the whole thing. I have a white bar here. I'm going to put that below. So I'll put that exactly on top. And put this a little bit out of the way. And then enlarge in this. Yes. Yeah, that looks good. And now I want to insert another shape. I want to have this triangle there, this what they had. Oh, gonna have that there. And I click on shape fill. And I could click no fill, but that's of no use. So I click on white because I want the text in here. And I also click, you remember, always on shape outline, no outline, because I don't want any borders. All right. When I have that, I'll have this here. So maybe I'll put another one here. Why not? Looks good. And move that a little bit over there. So, and now put in more triangles. So maybe I just take this one, copy and paste it. And now instead of this direction, I'm going to have it that direction. Put it down here. And this one is transparent. So I go on shape fill, click on more fill colors. Do you remember? And I put it on 69 transparency. Yeah, I have it on 70 now. So yeah, that's why it doesn't look so good. So let's go back again and let's change this into, oh, what do I have now? I wanted this one. Shape outline. Ah, no, not the outline. I need the shape fill. Yeah, because this one I want it on maybe on 60. That is maybe a better shape. Yeah, now it looks a little bit better, you see. So, and I can have a second one here. And then I have another triangle here. You can see I can play around with my triangles. And then I put this, oh, I need to bring it to the front, you see? So bring to the front. And I want this here. I changed this a little bit. And I want that there. And I think I have an outline on that one. Oh no, I don't know. Doesn't, I don't see anything. So See, and then I can move that triangle a little bit closer. And that one there. And that looks already really nice, huh? And I can have the word COPD maybe on here, you see, or in here, respiratory diseases. And so I click on insert and text box and a simple text box. And then I click on respiratory disorder. And I'll have it maybe on 40. You see, and at the moment your booklet looks like this, which is fine, but click on it and click on shape fill and click on no fill. You see, you will now have no fill, which is nice. However, you see that you still have this strange rectangle around, so you need to click on this again. So the buttons that you will always use is shape outline and shape fill the whole time. And then you also click on no outline, you see. Now I have a really nice cover with the respiratory disorder and yeah. So and then here, for example, I could put in COPD. I don't really know now what to do with the second picture. Yeah, that is annoying. But first of all, I put that into tight because otherwise I don't know what to do with it. So there's this bar. This bar moved up there. Did you see? So if you don't put your pictures into tight, it will do these strange things and it will move up and down. So all of your pictures need to be on tight. So yeah, this one looks good here, doesn't it? Maybe I'll leave it here. Again, yeah. I can't really change a picture because a picture has a white background. So I need to really check where I want to place it because it messes with everything. So I'm gonna put it here. That's fine. And then we click on insert and another text box. And now we're gonna write COPD. And this time font is only 30, not 40, and bold. And we're gonna put it here. That looks good, you know. And again, I don't want to, you see that border? I don't want the border, so I click on shape outline, no outline. It's already white, so it's fine. Maybe a little bit bigger though. Yeah, let's put it on 40. Okay, this looks good. Something else maybe to consider. Maybe we'll want to write down treatment and care into those triangles. We could do that. Yes, so let's do that. So that we need to go insert and text box. And then we have treatment. I have this as maybe 30 now, maybe not so big. And let's see, does it fit in here? I really would want this to fit in here. No, it doesn't. So we have it on 20. Yeah, and now again, I have a border. I don't like my border. That means shape outline, no outline. Now I don't want this to be so bright and white. I'm gonna go to shape fill. That's what most of you have, you know. So go on the shape fill and click on no fill. You will see it will blend into your document and it's really nice. if I want to have another one of this, I just copy and paste it. You see, and now I have another of this treatment. But so I put that there and right here. Treatment and care, you see? So that looks quite nice, doesn't it? So maybe I'm going to leave a little bit here. Ready? And put that there. That into the middle. Okay. That looks nice. Maybe I'm going to have this one up to here because then I can't see the line anymore. Yay. All right. And then, yeah, we usually have a logo or something. So, or a provider. We also maybe not have this in yellow because this is so blue, and then yellow is maybe not a good color. What about we choose a different color for this one? So we go on shape fill and we click on this. No, that's too bluish. Maybe we go on more colors. Something that is in that area. Yeah, that looks nice, right? It's not, yellow and blue together is really bad. Maybe a little bit darker. No, that's too dark. Maybe this one? No, that's not good. Maybe in this dark. No, that's not good. Maybe more fill. Oh yeah, that matches the color of here. So yeah, that looks better. Yeah, so that and then we could maybe, we need to put in our details and so on. So I would put insert and shape and maybe have something like that, but again, we want this to be white and again, no outline and not really completely white. Do you remember? It's really nice to have a little bit of transparency. Let's go again to 50 something percent, 60%. And then we have another one. We're going to make this a little bit bigger. And then we can, put in all of our credentials here. So we have insert, again, a text box. And so you see how nice things are with the transparency button. It makes things so much nicer. So I would say here telephone, and then 07 and so on. Health center, London. Telephone, yeah, address, sorry. Address is, I don't know, Main Road, SW 20. 3ty. We can put that there at the bottom. And again, we want this to be transparent. So our two main functions, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, no fill. Ta-da! And we have blended it really nicely in there. As you can see, maybe we want to, I don't know, put that in bold. It's a little bit, can't really see it. Yeah, this looks better, right? Cool. I'm quite happy with this one, I have to say. So maybe I'll put that exactly in that white thingy and the other is in the blue. That means I need to make this a little bit smaller. Because otherwise it looks a bit funny. Yeah. Now it looks like an UFO. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we've done that, and maybe we can include some more nice shapes. I would say here, I would love to have a nice shape. So we click on insert and another shape. Oh, which one shall we take? No, no. I don't know. I think a square is the best one. Let's put in a square. So again, we're going to put in a square here. And again, we have shape fill in white. And we also have no outline because we don't want that. And then we click on shape fill again, more colors. So as you can see, we're just using the same buttons over and over again. And click that again on 60%. So we have a nice shape. And then we just copy and paste it. And so we have another shape here on top. But now we can't read our respiratory disorder anymore. Yeah, maybe we need to put that away first. And then put that maybe bring to front. And that one we want to be bring send to back. And that one as well, send back. So let's see if we put that on top. Yeah. You see, if we put that now on top, it's not gonna affect our font because otherwise we won't be able to see anything. So with those buttons, if you click always right and left, so with the right click, sorry, you can always change the order. So if you click right click and then bring to front or send to back, you tell Word what should be in front. And I want respiratory disorder to be, in the front section. I want this to be really visible. And yeah, that is also something that I like. And yeah, shall I do something with the top bar? Otherwise it looks really strange, doesn't it? So, I could have the same on top. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's try this. We can see if we like that. Oh, now I copy and pasted the not what I wanted. Oh, again, didn't want that. I think it's really hard to get into the, yeah, I wanted this one. Copy and paste, yeah, you see. And now I'm going to put that on top. How does it look like? Well, it's not too bad, right? That looks actually quite nice. All right, it seems like we have some space here, so we could write something here. So I would say we could write what COPD is or something. Mm, in COPD, maybe we're gonna write this one. Is a lung disease making it hard to breathe? Yeah. So that's a good slogan just to know where we are. And we'll put that in there. Oops, that wasn't a good idea. We just do every time when you have done something wrong, you just click on this undo button here at the home, and and always also it's always good to save it. Just save it before you do something new. So I've saved it. Perfect. Because if you didn't like it, you just close the document and open it again, and you have no troubles. Yeah, so I click on insert and then text box, built-in text box, and now I'm going to put that text in here. I always, when I insert text somewhere that I've copied from the internet, always, I click on right click. Yeah, I don't just copy and paste. And then you see there are paste options. Here I can keep the formatting source, which is not a good option. I can click in merge formatting, not a good option. I click on keep text only. So it has a little A symbol next to it. Do you see that? That is the only option that you should choose, because otherwise you're copying and pasting all of these little things that are behind the website, these little exclamation marks and the dots and also the font and the everything. And this one only pastes the text. So this is the very best option. Please don't click on anything else than on this A thingy here. I hope you can see it. So again, I'll do that again for you. We click on right click. And then we have paste options. So we click on the last one on the A. Yeah, so we have now the text in here. And again, I think we need to have that in bold because otherwise we can't read it. And we're gonna put it here. Again, it looks really funny if we have this in white. I'm not sure if I want this in white, It looks I'm not sure. What do you say? I mean, it's okay actually, but I think it would be looking better if I click on so I need to double click, or sometimes need to click more often. So now it opens this thing for me. And first of all, no outline, because I really don't like the outline. I mean, I could live maybe with that, but even that I don't like. So I click on shape fill and click on no fill. So now it is nicely blend into so now it all looks like this. Yeah. And this is my cover. And I could, if I wanted to, put another little, maybe I'm gonna insert another triangle here. I just feel like it, so put in another triangle here on the COPD and move that to that position. And have this that way. So, and instead of yellow, I want it in the same color as my background. Yes, and I use that one. And then obviously I want the COPD to be to appear. So I don't want to hide it. So I click on right click and then bring to back. Oh, that wasn't good. Now I've lost it. It's completely gone into backpack. So I do undo. And what I do is I click maybe on the COPD and click that one to come on front. Bring to front. Yes, that's good. And now, sometimes you need to play around a little bit because no. And I have I don't want a shape fill in here because this looks strange. So I click on the COPD, which opens all the options, and I click on shape fill and I click on no fill. So now I have this thing here. And if I want to be really fancy, I'm gonna take this again and put that on there. But again, I need to put the COPD in front, otherwise I don't see it again. So click that, bring to front. And now I put that also there. And enlarge this a little bit. And this one's gonna go more fill colors again, and I have some transparency. I go again on 60%. So let's see how this looks like. Wow. Yes. So yeah, you do not need to, if you're feeling uncomfortable with the transparent function, you don't need to do it. It's not absolutely necessary. It's not, you're not going to die from this, but it makes it really look very nice, and it's something that you might want to do. What you definitely should be doing is to try and you know put use the thing called no fill, because we don't want like all of these white text boxes around, so that is something you might want to consider. And then it's sometimes you need to move